Hey guys, Alex here. Welcome back to another video. I get often asked, what is the key to being successful as an importer or an Amazon seller? Like what do you need to do to get the show on the road? And that's a great question, all right? Every day you need to be doing something. You got to be inching your way every single day towards your goal. And it could be as slow as you want, it could be as fast as you want, but really the choice is yours. You have to be moving every single day. So for example, today you could be checking out some potential suppliers online, right? You could be, then tomorrow you might be connecting with suppliers, and the next day you might be thinking about opening up an Amazon account, right? The next day you might be thinking about, okay, I should learn how to do Amazon PPC, which is pay per click, and Amazon advertising, right? So every single day you should be doing something to inch yourself closer to being successful, all right? Because what tends to happen is people are like, you know what, I want to do this. I want to start something up. I want to start a business. I want to quit the 9 to 5. I want to, do something, right? But then life gets in the way. They've got to take their kids to school, and your kids do need to go to school, right? But they get caught up, and their friends invite them over to a football game, and then they have to go to a Saturday barbecue, right? You don't have to go to a Saturday barbecue. All right, you could be focused on your business, all right? You could be dedicated to making money and starting something and starting your business, right? But people tend to let life get in the way of their goals. And, they lack planning, and that's a real thing. More people spend more time planning a 2-week vacation to Fiji or to Bali than they do planning the next, even year of their life. Most people don't even think ahead 12 months, and that's pretty bad. And I'm not saying everyone does that, but I mean, I certainly plan. I've got a 1-year plan, a 3-year plan, a 5-year plan, and a 10-year plan, right? I've even got other plans for longer. So you have to sort of plan this out. Where do you want to be 12 months from now? How much money do you want to be making 12 months from now? And it's not just about money. It's also about lifestyle and freedom. How much time do you want to be spending with your family? How many holidays do you want to be doing this year and next year? How many months do you want to be taking off? It was last year. I was in the Cayman Islands. I went to New Orleans. We went to Jamaica. We went to Cuba, the Bahamas, with the whole thing. I took a whole month off work, right? How many bosses will let you take a whole month off work? Not a whole lot many, that's for sure. So you can only really achieve that when you start your own business. You can only really achieve that ultimate freedom of being able to travel when you want, not answering to anyone, working your own hours, essentially, I bring my laptop with me, so I'm essentially bringing my business with me. I'm working on my business for about 30 minutes to an hour a day. So you can do that too, guys. You've just got to inch yourself forward every single day. If only a little bit, it doesn't matter, but just be doing something every single day. Now, the first step is watch my webinar. Check out my webinar. This isn't a webinar where I'm talking about fluff and filler and saying how great I am. I dedicate this webinar to looking at the 10 hottest products. So we look at what is selling right now. We look at trending products. We look at some of the products, the bestseller lists, the recent bestseller products, right? So I actually go through a lot of really good training. I know quite a few people online are charging for this information. This stuff I'm giving to you guys for free, so check it out. You have no excuse. So let's get something started, guys. My name's Alex Ryan. Thanks for joining me. Let's get your importing your business started. Let's get your Amazon business started. Let's find some products and let's make some money. Talk to you real soon. Bye-bye.